Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado High Trail Boss, powered by the 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado Trail Boss here. We have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have your drivability dial for your different driving modes, push-button 4x4, fog lamps, in-bed lighting as well. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, black bow tie in the center, and audio controls on the opposite side. Column shifter with push-button ignition. We have an 8-inch touchscreen. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities. Dual zone climate control there. We have heated front seats, an integrated trailer braking system, parking sensors, as well as auto stop start, USB charging ports, and an outlet there as well. We have dual glove box, black interior. We have Bose audio equipment all the way throughout, and to match our black interior, our black leather heated seats up front here. Beautiful. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss LT here, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, black rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires on there, blacked out door handles and blacked out window trim, keyless entry on the driver's front door there. Z71 package coming to the front of the vehicle. You have a black bumper, fog lamps, red tow hooks, parking sensors, and LED headlamps. 6.2-liter on the hood. Coming to the back of the vehicle, you got your Trail Boss decal, blacked out rear bumper with parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow hitch, LED lights, and the easy open close GM tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as in-seat storage on the ends there. That 60/40 split. Seats lock up, folding up, under seat storage, lots of room on the ground if you need it. Rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom carved over top. We have LED lighting as well as the single pane sunroof. USB charging ports in the back of the center console there as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT. If this is your next V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.